This is a fantastic 2-bedroom apartment located in the popular development of Firepool. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. You have a fantastic open plan kitchen, diner and living room. The property has 2 double bedrooms. The property also has a storage container as well as the bin storage and bike store downstairs. The property also has a carport for parking. If you're interested in this property or indeed a valuation of your own home, please do get in touch.